Good afternoon, sir, and all my dear classmates. Today I am going to present from Hamlet, culture or nature, which things we have to follow. We studied about one good quote that to be or not to be, that is the question. And my point and my research about that culture or nature, which character follow culture and which character follow nature. Just for 5 minutes, forget everything and just think that all animals and all humans are same. We all are equal. And I will tell you that which things are different. I will show you how we born. It is evolution process. It was big blast on Earth. Before lots of years ago, our journey was started with amoeba. Before lots of years ago, amoeba converts in various shapes, various fish, and fish takes various shapes. Reptiles, mammals, dinosaur, mouse, and then monkey, ant, orangutan, and then Homo sapiens. And then our journey started. We started hunting, and then we started to live in cave. Then we find fire, and then we started socialism. And then we started farming, and then we started transporting and big construction we have made. And slowly we started journey from one place to another for our safety and for our development. We all are now developed, but still somewhere our genetics are same. As it is, we can say that parental care, social behavior, family structure. You can see in human also and same as it is in animals in also. Sometimes you will feel that if another person who have braveness, who have courage, who have intelligence, at that time we will say that he is like lion. He is like lion. If someone doing cheating with everyone, then we will say he is like fox. It means we all have one animal in our mind. It is actually not animal, it is our nature. What is nature? As per Charles Darwin, survival of the fittest. It means those who have courage, those who have power, those who have strength, only they will live. And those who have not power, they are weak, they will die or they will out. You can see in this image, if in animal world, if you are hungry and you have power and you have strength, then you can kill another. You can see here, you can kill and eat and live your life with joyness. No justice, everything is fair. There is nothing wrong in nature. But if we talk about culture, then we have made rules and regulation. Culture. We create different types of attitude, beliefs, language. It means we have made language for communication each other and understand to each other. We can share many thoughts, feelings by words. Customs, rituals, behavior. It means we make behavior that these things we have to do or these things we have not to do. It means all animals and all humans have same nature. We have same feelings also. We all need home, we all need food, we all need partner, we all need love, and we all need sex. But how we different from animal? We have trained our nature that which things are good and which things are bad. We have to do that, and we have we have not to do. This is good, this is bad, this is valid, this is invalid. It is culture. We can manage but can't stop. Whenever anybody try to push their nature, at that time crime happen. And my point about Hamlet. Hamlet, a tragedy played by William Shakespeare. I will not give you brief information about Hamlet. I will tell you about conflict between nature and culture. Kill and rule and make your territory large. In forest area, you know about lion. That lion roar at night, wolf wound. In our society also dogs are barking at night, and they do urine at various places, and they make his territory. As it is in royal family, we blow shunk at morning, at evening to show our territory. It is our nature, and to be or not to be, error of judgment. We can see this both point, kill and rule, and to be or not to be in Hamlet. Where is nature in Hamlet? Claudius, the king of Denmark. Claudius killed his brother for power and rule. We can take same example of power and rule. We can compare Vali and Sugriv, Ravan and Vibhishana with Hamlet and Claudius. Claudius grabbed his brother's wife. And if we talk about female, then it is not fault of female, it is natural things. In class or wherever you can, you have not that. I have not that. Female will always select the person who have power, who have money. Where female feels security, only female will marry him. And we can not in Hamlet that Gertrude is a loathsome character. She has lust, she has pride, and Gertrude loved luxurious life. It is not fault of female, but it is nature in female. If few female marry a weak person because of he has money, at that time, after few years ago, after her marriage, she will create extramarital affair because it is her nature that she will always attract towards those who have power and knowledge and money. Where is culture in Hamlet? Hamlet always think before he take any step. It is a process of culture. Hamlet has chance to kill when Claudius is praying, but he didn't kill because he is following cultural things. Ophelia is obedient and innocent beauty. Ophelia is full of goodness. These things I have not in culture in Hamlet. Salutable and salutable things. Salutable and suitable things. To be or not to be, culture or nature. These things confusing us lots of. But it is a salutable things. Wherever in past, if anybody take decision without thinking, at that time we created World War I, World War II, and partition of India also. So my point is that we have to think before we do anything. It is a salutable thing that to be or not to be, culture or nature, it is a good thing for us. I conclude this topic in end of my research. Before you speak, listen. Before you write, think. Before you spend time. Before you pray, forgive. Before you hurt, feel. Before you have love. Before you quite try. And before you die, live. Live with joyness. Thank you.